subscribe button to Twitch. If you want to add a subscribe button to a Twitch account, you need to follow the simple steps. Now, when I've actually researched it, you could see that to be partner or to add a subscribe button, you need to meet the following criteria. That is at least 50 followers in your Twitch account and at least 500 total minus minute stream in the last 30 days. Likewise, at least 7 unique broadcast days in the last 30 days and an average of 3 or more concurrent viewers over the last 30 days. This is a high tier with a more stringent requirement. You can typically need to have a larger audience and consistent viewership. And to enable subscription, once you're affiliated or partner, the subscription button will be automatically enabled on your channel, and you could go ahead and customize your subscription options in your Twitch dashboard. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.